One of the first things I like to do before I start driving a vehicle I purchased is to replace the cabin air filter, because most of the time they haven't been changed since new. The Cobalt is easy. All you have to do is remove the glove box. And to remove the glove box, one of the first things you do is you push in this little tab, and then on the side it just pushes forward and releases. Whole thing forward. And the string that helps the glove box shut just pops out. You push the two sides of the glove box in, and then pull up on the right hand side a little bit, pull out the middle piece, and it just comes right off. This little thing can be sometimes hard to get off. You just got to push in that little piece right there, and it just slips forward and comes right off. And the passenger compartment air filter is right behind this panel. Pull down the three tabs, fold that forward, and it just comes right out. Oh, that is dirty. Wow, that is extremely dirty. And if you don't replace that, especially when you buy a vehicle, then you're pretty much inhaling all the previous owner's smoke or pet hair or whatever they might have had in their car is all going back into your cabin. And here is the part number for the Chevy Cobalt cabin air filter. Push it all the way in, and then flip up the door, snap the tabs back in place. And it's as simple as that.